So now let's see how we can animate by using keyframes inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to work around with animation, I'm going to go around over here on the project assets right here and then add in a new item. So let's just go around over here and add in, let's say for example, a title itself. So here I have a title. So now what I'm going to do is, let me just go around over here. I'm just going to go around and delete out the title and add in a shape right here. So let's just go around over here, add in a rounded rectangle just like this, and let me just go around and apply a style to it just like this right here. So I'm going to go around and get out of title now. So I'm not going to work around with the titles and the adjustment. So now what I need to do is I need to select this. You can see that I can move around this layer right here. Let me just go around and then like minimize the project asset and keep this in the beginning right here. So you can see that I have around 4 seconds of this clip right here. And of course, since this is the title, I can just go around and expand the length as well. Just like this. You can expand the in and out points as well. So this is what you have. And now I want to go around and add in a motion to it. Let's say, for example, I want it to start out small and then come at this size in, let's say, around 2 seconds right here. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here under the effects right here. And here you can see motion is an option. So under motion, you can see scale is an option right here. And you can set out the position of the keyframes from right over here. So I'm going to go around over here and then click on the stopwatch button, and that brings out the keyframe area, as you can see right here. So what I want to do is I want to keyframe out scale. So let me just go around and start off the scale to down right here, and I can go around and add in a keyframe right here. For that, I need to click on the toggle animation button, and the first keyframe is added in. So what I'm doing is I'm adding in a value right here, like 0 scale size for 0 seconds. Then right around when I come around to, let's say, for example, 1 second right here. So let's just go around. Let me just type in exactly 1 second right here. So under 1 second, let's say I want to increase out the scale value right here. So let's say I want to make it 100 over here. Once I do that, and in 0 seconds, it is 0 size, and in, let's say, for example, 1 second, it is 100%. So in between, the animation is added in automatically. So if I were to go around and then press the play button, there you go. So this is what you have right here. So let me just go around over here from the beginning itself right here. Maybe I actually changed out the value to 0 accidentally. So let me just change that around to 100. So now if I were to go around and press the play button, you can see that the animation happens. And animation can be added in right here. So you can go around, and these are the keyframes. You can move them around so that you change the time. And you can see that now the timing of the animation changes out. You can move the keyframes further apart so that it takes longer than 1 second right here for the animation to play out as well. Apart from that, you can go around and animate the rotation as well. So you can go around over here, and let's say, for example, you want one full rotation. I'm just going to go around over here, and let me just type in 360 so that there's a one full rotation. And now what happens is that there is a rotation to it as well, just like this. So you can go around and change around the keyframes over here. So just like this, you can go around and change around the position as well, just like this. So let's say, for example, you want to go for position now, and let's say after everything happens, after zoom in and rotation, there's a bit of a change in position right here. Or you can go around and simply click and drag it right here. And under position, you can also see the Bezier handles right here that allow you to control the path. So if I were to go around, you can see that that is what you have now. So from the beginning, you can see that this is the animation that pops in, and what happens is that this is how it goes around. And this is a separate timeline on its own right here, so you can go around and zoom in or zoom out onto the timeline over here as well. And that is how you can work around with keyframes and add in keyframes inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.